Gratitude is just another word for happiness. The more you're grateful for, the more you're happy about. So, in this meditation session, let's show appreciation for all the little things we have in life. So, when you are ready, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath and feel your breath go all the way down to your center. Recall the things you are grateful for. This includes obvious things like your life, your health, your limbs, your friends, and so on. But this also includes things you may not think about often. You should be thankful for being alive each and every day, knowing that death can take you at any time in just one instant. You should be grateful you live in such a wondrous time, with things like running water making your life easy, and Wi-Fi to connect to the world easily. Each and every night, you should be grateful you made it through another day alive and well. Every little positive thing in life is worth being grateful for, worth savoring. Now, let us continue in silence, continuing to be joyous and grateful for all that we have. Now, let us take in one more deep breath, and slowly and gently coming back. Appreciating all the little things in life is one of the best ways to fill your life with happiness and joy. Simply understanding how fragile life is and being thankful just for being alive each and every day is enough to keep your mind in a state of gratefulness and joy. This technique is particularly effective right after waking up. When you wake up each morning, try taking a minute or so to connect with your center and understand that you really are lucky to have survived another day. Because you have survived another day, you can still feel the warmth of the sun. You can see your friends once again. Everything that you have that you are grateful for, you can enjoy them for another day. Consider giving it a shot the next time you wake up tomorrow.